What's going on YouTube? This is Jared from Zoom Tan again, and today I wanted to share with you guys 5 more tips to help you get the best tanning results. A few months ago I did a video on 5 tips to help you get the best tanning results, which I linked right here, so definitely check that video out first, and then check this video out so you can get 5 more tips to continue to help you get the best results. If you enjoy the videos we're bringing out, as always, do please hit the like button. Also, do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to notify yourself with the next video that we come out with. Thanks so much for watching, and let's get right into the video. The first tip that I have for you is make sure that you are aware that everybody does have a plateau. And what I mean by that is everybody has a certain level that they can get to just by naturally being in the sunlight without doing anything to enhance your results. So what I want to do is I want to talk to you about some things that can help you overcome a plateau if you're finding that you're not getting any darker, and also talk to you guys about some things to help you get darker quicker if you're a new tanner. So the first thing is be aware that there is a plateau, but there are some things you can do to overcome it. The second tip that I want to talk to you guys about is the importance of repeat exposure. Now, if you're not getting in consistently, of course you're not going to be getting color. A lot of times I'll have people tell me that they're not getting any color, and then I look at their tanning history and I see they're only coming in like 1 time a month. So something that you want to do, especially when you're building your base tan and you're a new tanner, is you want to get in consistently every day or every other day so that you can get that base tan built up. Now, if this is something that you're already doing and you're a seasoned tanner and you're still not getting any darker, I think that some of the other tips that I have are going to be more for you. But this is for the people that feel like they're just not getting any color at all, or they just want to know how they can get darker quicker and they're a new tanner. My third tip is going to be geared more towards the people that are already coming in consistently, but they just feel like they can't get any darker. The first thing that I would say is take a look at your membership, and if you're only going for the 6 minutes and you're going every day or every other day and you feel you aren't getting any darker, the best thing to do is upgrade your membership to a higher level. Of course, if you're going longer during each session, you're going to be getting more exposure and you'll be able to get darker faster. Another benefit to having a higher level membership is that if you get to your desired darkness, you can come in less consistently and go a little bit longer and still maintain that same color. And as I said, you can also go longer and go more consistently and you can get even darker. So the next tip is upgrade your membership if you feel you aren't getting any darker. The fourth tip that I have for you is that you should be rotating the tanning product that you're using. In the video that I linked earlier, I already mentioned that you should be using tanning lotion while you're in the booth. And I also did a video explaining why you should be using that lotion, which I linked right here for you. What happens when you're using a lotion is your body will get acclimated to using the same thing all the time, and it won't be as effective as when you first started using it. So if you rotate between the products, then your skin won't get used to either one and you'll get better results from both. It's the same concept as when you're working out your muscles. If you work a muscle out and you do different exercises and you target the same muscle, you're going to get better results than if you just do one exercise and you target that muscle. So another tip to get better results is to rotate the products that you're using. The final tip that I have for you in this video is to try a double dip. Double dipping is UV tanning and then spray tanning immediately after. Now this is going to have a couple of benefits because if you UV tan first, it's going to open up your pores and you'll absorb that spray tan better, and then the spray tan will enhance the UV tanning that you have been building up. If spray tanning is something that you are interested in, I linked a video right here that explains how spray tanning works. I also put a link to our memberships down in the description box below on this video. So guys, that's 5 more tips to help you get better results from your tanning. If you found this video to be helpful, do please hit the like button. Also, do subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos that we're coming out with. And also let us know what are some tanning tips that you have down in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all in our next video.